Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all in Abscess online support program. Textbook, New Syllabus Primary Mathematics 4 and Primary Mathematics Practice Workbook 4. Page number 218 till 221. Chapter 10, Area and Perimeter. Topic is Perimeter of Squares and Rectangle. This is the same topic which we have learned in OSP Round 2. Resources required: laptop, textbook and workbook. Summary of the lesson is, in this lesson we will learn how to find breadth or length of rectangle when we have its perimeter. We will learn how to find length of a square when we have its perimeter. We will also learn how to find length and perimeter when we have its area. Thought of the day: education is a gift that none can take away. It means when you have any knowledge, so no one in the world can take away from you. Objective: perimeter of squares and rectangles. Let's recap. What is the difference between a square and rectangle? In a square, you have all the four sides of equal length, and in rectangle, opposite sides are of equal length. Perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape, and it can be found by adding the length of all shape sides. Now see this example. In the first example you have a square, and in the second example you have rectangle. In a square all the four sides are equal, so you will be adding all lengths, and in rectangle you have length and breadth, so you will be adding both length and both breadth. Perimeter of a square. In a square, all the four sides are equal, so you will be using formula perimeter equals 4 multiplied by length. But if you need to find out length of a square, then you will be using length of a square equals perimeter divided by 4. Question number 1 is, the perimeter of a square is 64 meter. Find its length. We will write data perimeter equal 64 meter. Afterward, put the heading of solution and write formula. Formula will be length equal perimeter divided by 4. Now, place the value of it. Length equal 64 divided by 4. We will get 16. So, length equal 16 meter. Perimeter of rectangle. In rectangle, we have 2 lengths and 2 breadths. To find perimeter, you can use perimeter equal length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Or you can use perimeter equals 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Or you can either use perimeter equals 2 length plus breadth. All three formulas are same. You can use any of them. Question number 1 is, the perimeter of rectangle is 32 cm. The breadth of the rectangle is 4 cm. What is the length of rectangle? Firstly, you will write data, and in data you will write breadth equals 4 cm, perimeter equals 32 cm. Afterward, put the heading of solution and use any formula. I am using perimeter equals 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Now, just put this value 32 equals 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. No, so 32 equals 2 multiplied by length plus 8. Now, when this plus 8 come towards left, it will become 32 minus 8 equals 2 multiplied by length. 32 minus 8 is 24, equal sign as it is, 2 multiplied by length as it is. Now here you can see 2 is multiplied by length. When this 2 come towards left, it will become divide. So 24 divided by 2 equals length, and the answer will be 12 equal length. So you can say that length equals 12 centimeter. Question number 2 is, the square has a perimeter of 28 centimeter. Find its length and its area. First we will write data, and in data perimeter equals 28 centimeter. Afterward we will put solution. In solution, first we will find out length of a square. For this we will use length equal perimeter divided by 4. In place of perimeter I will write 28. Divide sign as it is, 4 as it is. After dividing I will get 7 and the unit will be centimeter. Now in the second step I will find area, and for this I am using area equal length multiplied by length. So in place of length I will write 7, multiply sign as it is. Again in place of length I will write 7. 7 sevens are 49 and then unit will be squared centimeter. Success criteria. Identify the length and breadth of a rectangle. Use the formula perimeter of a square equals adding all the fourth length. Use the formula perimeter of rectangle equals 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth, or perimeter equals length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Divide by 4 to get the length of a square given by perimeter. Here comes your task. You need to do workbook page number 142.